All right. Stop. Stay. Here's what Rosie's looking at. Oh, I don't know if you can see them. There's horses back there. Yep, there we go. That's what Rosie's looking at. That's what little Miss Rosie wants. Rosie! Oh, good sit. That's a good girl. Yep. Who's a good girl? Oh, yes, you are. Good, Rosie. Look at that good walking stock. Good girl. Good girl. Rosie, sit. Sit. Oh, are we watching the horses now? You can't hear me because you're watching the horses. Where are the horses? Sit. That's a good girl. There she is. Good girl. Okay, let's walk. Good job. Good girl, Rosie. Good girl.